today's merriments, we are going to be playing 3D Silicone Fish on the Commodore Vic 20 Unexpanded. That is an unusual name. Not played this game. This is the furthest I've got into it, so I have no idea what I'm about to face. So let's try something and see. Oh my god, what the hell? Okay, what the? Okay. What the hell am I doing? Kill me. I'm trying to look around to see what the shit is happening. Okay. Things are dying. Things are happening. I can't seem to do much. Well, classic Vic 20 noises. We'll give it that. But what the hell is it? I don't get it. Okay. Have I got somewhere to get to? Can't see anywhere obvious. You got me. There's got to be some sort of target, some place I've got to get to. What am I doing? Is there something I've got to hit? Right, those things explode. Right, we've established that. Those things explode too. Okay. Everything explodes. There's stuff running underneath me. Stuff explodes at random. I really don't get it. Looks like I've completely died. Yay! Lucky me! That might be a good thing. Right, let's just see what the hell is going on here. Is there some way to fire? I'm just going through the entire keyboard to see if there's anything. Oh, no, there's nothing to fire on. So I have no idea what the I'm doing here. Right, let's see if we can hit something. Nope, nope. Okay, no, oh. Something killed me. I have no idea what it is. Right, help. I have no freaking idea what I'm doing here. I've never known a game that's so unintuitive. 3D Silicone Fish doesn't even give it away in the title too much, does it? Right, don't catch things going up there, do we? No. Has that got anything to do with it? No. There's nowhere to get to, nowhere to go to. Do we jump? Oh, what was that? What's going on there? I saw a ladder appeared. Everybody else see that? Or am I going madder than I am? Let's just try and get to the corner or something. Okay, perhaps we have to get to the corner without being killed. Let's see if that's a possible issue here. Right, come on. Right, let's get up there and let's see what happens. I'm not going up there. Too many exploding dudes up there. No, right, not in there. That shit's tried to get me then. Okay. Navigating this thing is almost impossible. Come on! Give me something to aim at, you little shit. No, there is nothing obvious happening. I truly do not get this game. All we've established so far is keep out the way of the things. Which I have professionally demonstrated there. How not to keep out of the way. So a little ladder appeared when I got to that. When I got to the top left, there was a ladder that appeared. Let's see. I got a score. I have no idea why I got a score. Right, okay. I'm in the top corner again. Nothing's happening. It's a no score. don't want to go there. No. There's no score, no nothing. Okay. I think the writers of this game must die. I've never known a game that's so unintuitive. No, okay. Designer. Oh! Okay, I got points. Yes, we may be sussing this out. Hang on, I got some points there. Right, so, we've established, so far, that the things are going to move, that the thing's coming down the screen, and I just got points. Okay. So, I just basically lick things. 140. There we go. And then avoid exploding things, which have now got me completely stuck in this corner. Bastards. Right, come on, somebody come down here. So what we do is try and lick him. Yes, 270. I don't know how many of these things we have to lick, but I've got to lick away until I get my goal, whatever my goal is. Oh, he got me. Didn't see him coming. Bugger! Oh well. Catch a little tune on the Vic there. Right, come on, we're getting points for something. Right. Oh, died. I'm determined to suss this thing out, but I think I've just died. Yeah, that's a final death. And, okay. I missed it. Right. One more go. We will do one more go. Right, come on. Give me your tune, baby. Right, there's one here. Somewhere. Okay, it's off screen. Okay. Can I just hold it there? No? Okay. These things are going to try and explode and kill me, because they're nasty like that. Right. I need things falling down the screen. Oh, come on, move out my way, you little shit. I can't get into anything because that little bastard is in the way. And nobody's... oh, there you go. Nobody's handling... Yes! 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 I am the master of CDs. Silicone Fish. 3D Silicone... Uh-oh. 3D... ah, you got me. Thought you meant. 3D Silicone Fish. I am the master! Right. Come on. Let's get this thing here. Go! Yes! God, it's getting exciting, isn't it? Come on. You know you want to die! Yeah! Go! Yes! I don't know what you have to do. Oh! Woogie woogie. Out of my way. Oh! Missed him. Oh well. That, ladies and gentlemen, oh no, is not quite the end of the game. Ha ha! Go! Must say, I have no idea what I'm supposed to be doing, but I'm getting involved in this. Isn't that good? Yes! Alright, I think that's the end. Yes, I do believe we are doomed. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is 3D Silicone Fish on the unexpanded Commodore Vic 20. No idea what I'm doing apart from getting those little things and no idea what the goal is. So, there you go. If you do, let me know. And if you haven't already and enjoyed the video, even though I was shite at it, then please subscribe. More videos on the cards over there of more Vic 20 games and more retro games. And our social media, including our ever popular Facebook group, is found at the links below. So, thank you very bloody much.
You need to quit being dirty. You're a dirty boy.